National Institute of Technology, Warangal, is a public technical and research university located in Warangal, India. The Regional Engineering College, Warangal, was the first to be established in 1959 among the chain of 15 regional engineering colleges in the country. NIT Warangal has a center established with the objective of providing laboratory space for startup industries. State Bank of India is situated beside the campus main gate and has 2 ATMs. The institute has one shopping center which caters to the needs of the students and residents. The campus has a post office located near Visvesvaraya Hall. The dispensary has an X-ray machine, an ECG and a pathology laboratory with equipment like an electronic BP apparatus with pulse reader, a mini lab, an electronic binocular microscope and a sterilization oven. NIT Warangal was ranked 21st among engineering colleges in India by the National Institutional Ranking Framework in 2023 and 53rd overall. NIT Warangal holds technical and cultural events throughout the year. Major annual events include Technozone, Technical Fest, Spring Spree, Cultural Fest and Cura Management Fest. The event called Zero Gravity is held every year, which is an inter-branch competition in cultural events. Its vision towards a global knowledge hub striving continuously in pursuit of excellency in education, research, entrepreneurship and technological services to the society. It has mission imparting total quality education to develop innovative, entrepreneurial and ethical future professionals fit for globally competitive environment, allowing stakeholders to share our reservoir of experience in education and knowledge for mutual enrichment in the field of technical education. The Institute's Center for Career Planning and Development assists the departments in placement of students at major industries. About 150 to 180 companies visit the campus every year. NITW truly appreciate the faith bestowed from several organizations and look forward to continuing our relationship with them. NIT Warangal offers a scholarship to meritorious students who perform well in their academic sessions.